is.
Roll it over smooth.
Is it?
Yeah, it's right there.
Are you good? You're good now.
It's fucking loud, dude.
That's fucking sick.
That's too loud. It's actually loud. So, I mean, once it starts to warm up, which was pretty fast, sounds pretty good. Okay, not good. Maybe sounds acceptable quiet. But I mean, these cars are actually pretty well sound deadening, in my opinion, because the exhaust sound you hear outside versus the exhaust sounds you hear in the cabin is totally different. So I'm gonna roll out my neighborhood. I don't want to be too loud, so give it a bit. This is cruising. You can check out that RPM. You can hear the sound of my voice. I'm just talking normally, not screaming or anything. Hopefully there's not too much wind noise. I'm gonna roll up the window up a little bit. Not that bad. When I just did the downpipe, it was, I had the seats fold down the back and it was freaking almost unbearably loud. This in the cabin is actually pretty manageable. This will get you in trouble real quick. It's you know, Cat J pipe and pretty much a straight through after that, like an ETS Extreme. This is a custom 3-inch, and wow, the sun is bright. But yeah, I'll make another video on my way back. I'm going heading to the gym. We'll see what's good from there. But yeah, I didn't want it to rub too bad because it is a pretty aggressive offset. Let's see if you can get that. So it does poke out a little bit, and that's why I got the mud flaps for my car, because you don't want it to have all that sling onto your car. So yeah, that's a little close look on the NT03s, SBCs.